Hi everyone, welcome back to Libama Jamming Studio. I hope you all are safe and I hope you will like the cover that I'm going to sing right now. Shirik shirik shalang mani anokha panglang mani mui tu de tong khawoni ni smai chung dalai mani bisha bishin lai thang kha ani jadu bai malai maya Kokton bolo rihorlia Tamu jani kha shihorlia Jaduno khata mani Bofuru malai shina Jaduno khata mani Bofuru malai shina Kethan tongki malai na tongki Dewai shamalai shitha Shajagya kokno nang bai shawana Bekhani magdui kelaywana Ani jadu bai halu koana Arono kothoma shijan shitha Shirik shirik shalang mani anokha panglang mui tu de tong khawoni ni smai chung dalai and now jodi ani gan khana mo chung khange tolo description link rizak tongo nor khnai man